as the offshore casino issue rocked the Goa State Legislative Assembly. Again on Wednesday, the Urban Development Ministry passed on the buck to Captain of Ports Department to deal with the monitoring of garbage disposal generated by floating casinos.
While the opposition benches cornered the Urban Development Minister, Joachim Alomou, on his ignorance on collection of garbage from the offshore casinos, the minister stated that it was for the Ports Ministry to deal with the issue. He said that the garbage generated by these vessels anchored in the Mandovi River is not a subject of concern for his ministry.
I think so the captain of ports will be knowing better than corporation. I am not. CCP is not responsibility for the what garbage is creating in the sea.
Honorable Minister, CCP is giving license, taking money. Government is also taxing the casinos.
For the trade office, Speaker.
It is a bounden duty of the people who give license to see all this.
It is not captain of port have to look this garbage.
Leader of the opposition Manohar Parrikar, referring to the reply, said that since the garbage is ferried on shore, its disposal was the responsibility of the Urban Development Ministry. BJP legislator Dayanand Mandrekar brought to the notice of the House that the authorities concerned were shying away from their duties over the casino garbage issue. No one knows how the garbage generated by casinos was collected and where it is treated.
No sir, the garbage generated by casino is not collected by corporation. बरें हा तू करिना थी मांडवी नदी हा पळय ही काळी जातली ह्या गार्बेजीन कारण तुम्ही उत्तरूच सारखे दिवंक शकना स्पीकर सर आम्ही काल कोणूच ही जबाबदारी कोणूच स्वीकारूंक शकना पयर आम्ही आधी आम्ही हे चालले की हांगर फुडें वचून सांगता की हेची कॅसिनोची जबाबदारी कोणूच घेवंक पळयना हे कॅसिनो कोणाक जाय म्हणून चलता स्पीकर सर त्या दिसा हे आपले एका नेवी एका आपले चालले कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टाक तेच्यो एनओसी सोंपल्या तरी ते चलता सगळे कोणूच जबाबदारी घेवपाक स्पीकर सर हांगर तयार ना कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टान लायसन्स सोंपल्या तरी चलता 5 स्टारांचे कॅसिनो जे आहात त्यांची 5 स्टारांची लायसन्स सोंपल्या तरी ते चलता.
Mr. Mandrekar also brought to the notice that High Court orders did not permit to dump the casino garbage at any site and further raised the fears that given these conditions, the casinos must be dumping the garbage in the river Mandovi itself.
स्पीकर सर हाय कोर्ट एका सांगता आता मिनिस्टर सांगता की त्या कन्सर्न ऑफिसराचेर वो एक्शन घेता म्हणून स्पीकर सर हाय कोर्ट एका सांगता की तू एका ज्या जाग्यार गार्बेज घालता थंय एका स्थगिती हाडटा हाय कोर्ट. The garbage is transported by launch from ship to shore. And आजूच एका पेपराचेर वाचलां की हायकोर्ट एका गार्बेज घालपाक स्थगिती हाडटा. हायकोर्ट एका गार्बेज खंयतरूच घालूंक दिना. वो शोरार ही गार्बेज खंय घालतलो खंयचो शोर वीच शोर मिनिस्टर खंयच्या शोरार ती बोटीन सिपीन हाडून खंय घालतलो हे सांगूंक शकना. हेचो अर्थ ती गार्बेज आहा पळय हे दर्यानूच सोडटले मांडवीन म्हणजे आमी जे कितें म्हणून सोडटा पळय न्हू म्हाका दिसता आतां मागीर प्रश्न उबे जातले पॉल्युशन येतलो एनवायरमेंट येतलो आपले कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट येतले.
I am not a licensed authority. CCP is not licensed authority for the license. He is the captain of port. You should ask separate question to captain of port.